Looking for the best toolbox? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 toolbox on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, BLACK+DECKER Toolbox Bundle. These two toolboxes are designed so that every bit of interior space is utilized. Each has 2 removable top compartments for storing small parts, a removable inner tray for organization, and a small hole in the lid so the unit can be secured with a padlock. A handy toolbox duo that consists of one 19-inch box and one 12-inch box. Customer favorite. These toolboxes are not the most durable option. At number 2, DEWALT Toolbox with Wheels. Relatively lightweight with great durability. Useful organizer included for small items. A telescoping handle and large, durable wheels make it very portable. Stackable design can be combined with other T-stack units. A contractor standard box that provides excellent value and an impressive amount of space for the money. Care must be taken not to overload this unit because doing so may cause some warping. At number 1, DEWALT 2-Drawer Tool Organizer. The 2 deep drawers allow you to neatly organize a wide assortment of tools so they are always easy to find. Metal ball bearings provide smooth operation. Stacking latches and side handles let this toolbox work with other tough system modules. If you're looking for a sizable, heavy-duty toolbox that is capable of enduring a little abuse, this is a solid option. Even when this box is empty, it weighs 17 pounds. After adding your tools it can become rather heavy. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.